I said nothing wrong. No!
I had the luggage.
No! Come on. No, you can't let me. No!
January 24th, 2024, Orlando International Airport. A British passenger was removed from a Virgin Atlantic flight for disruptive behavior. Officers had video before they said a word. What followed was 20 minutes of a man systematically destroying his own case.
No, I'm from Virgin.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, not good. As you can see this, throwing stuff at us across the wall.
Throwing stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Did he hit you?
A piece of paper. Rolled it up and threw it on us. Started shouting. Very abusive.
What's the problem? Is he being denied because of that?
Intoxication.
Yeah.
He went on board and started fighting.
Is this his bag? Hey, how you doing?
I'm fine.
You sure? Because the video I just saw doesn't show fine to me. How about if I raise my voice and act like you did? Would you like that?
Well, you're being prevented.
Start walking. We're gonna walk and
You
talk.
asked me a question.
We're walking, talking. Let's go.
So you asked me a question.
You want to spend the night in Orlando, Florida jail? Because that's where you're gonna go.
So you didn't ask me a question.
So he was denied because of being an ass.
Yeah.
Okay. Even though I got a body camera, I don't mind cussing. So tired of this crap. Thank you. Sorry, it happened. Really?
No, you don't treat me like him. Don't treat me.
Is this all he has for bags? As far as you know, this is his only bag?
Don't treat me like
Because you're acting like one.
I didn't say a word. Don't talk to me like shit, buddy.
The video I saw, you're acting
say?
like a child.
What did you say?
Throwing things across the counter, people.
I didn't throw anything.
Civilized adults don't act like that.
Oh, what did I throw?
Keep it up and you'll go to jail
What did
instead of going home.
What did I do? Tell me what I did. I'm trying to get home.
Well, you're being belligerent and you're being a turd.
No, I'm not.
You're
being
gonna
a
walk.
turd. I know I'm a turd. I know I'm a low life. I know I'm shit.
You're going to sober up
I just wanna get
and then
home.
you're going to book another ride
sober.
home. You're not sober. I can smell it. I can smell it on your breath now.
Give me an alcohol test. Please, can I have an alcohol test? Is that okay? Can we do that? Can we do an alcohol test?
No.
No?
No.
What, you're saying I'm over the limit on alcohol?
I'm not saying you're
But you
over the
won't
limit.
let
What
me-
I'm telling you is you're under the influence and you're being belligerent.
To who?
And people don't deserve to
To
be
who?
treated like
To
that.
who? To who?
To the staff.
What staff?
The airline staff.
What, they made statements? I was saying they made Virgin staff made statements.
The video that they have.
Listen, that's fine. If they've made statements, that's fine.
They have
I'll wait to
made
see those
statements.
Listen, that's okay.
What's going to
buddy.
happen
No,
is
I
you're
don't-
going
you
to
know
go
what?
back
I
to the
don't
main
care.
terminal.
I don't care what's going to happen. Right? I don't care. Right? I'm not being rude to you, and you're doing your job. You know what? I don't care.
Thank
I've
you.
lost my flight, missed my flight for nothing. You're going to pay for that.
Well, okay.
Okay? Well, let's leave it at that. If
We're
you
going to
want
wait
to
till
beat
this
me up,
crowd
just beat
clears,
me up. Just beat
and then
me
we're
up.
going to walk.
Because I've got two people filming me right now. I've got two people
Something.
filming me right now.
Okay. Yes, I'm filming you too.
No, no, not you. If you want to hurt me, do it. I'm not being
Where
rude.
do you live?
I'm not being rude.
Where do you live?
In London.
Okay. Well, you can't fly today because you're too intoxicated to fly.
No.
They're not
That's
allowing
bullshit.
you to fly.
I reject
Let's walk.
that. I reject it.
I don't really care whether you reject it or not. It is what it is.
I'm not f***ing overly intoxicated. Right, I got here at 12 o'clock and I never had a drink. I waited all day in line. So you're wrong. I've got it on video camera. You see where I went, what I did. I am not intoxicated.
Okay.
Right, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Not drunk though.
Under Graham versus Connor, officers must be judged by what they knew at the moment, not hindsight. They had the video. The approach was measured. One early remark crossed the line. Everything else held. The subject demanded an alcohol test. Under 49 United States Code, Section 44902, the airline holds sole authority to deny boarding. No. Test changes that.
No, this is unreal. This is absolutely unreal. reaction. You're treating me like I've done something wrong to your country.
Please stand clear of the
What have I done to injury? Injury. What have I done?
For the main terminal.
Nothing.
Virgin Atlantic Airlines. Virginia Atlantic Airlines is not going to allow you to fly, sir.
Said who?
Virgin Atlantic.
Just don't let him air, buddy.
No, I was fine. I was fine.
You're one of our
But
nearest.
you said something different. No, f off.
Your imagination.
You laugh.
Reality
You
is
laugh.
Children in here.
F off. I know you're a
Okay.
joker. You're a joker.
You're talking
You're a
your way to
corrupt
jail.
piece of shit.
Yeah.
Yes. I'll tell you what. I've got a solicitor in London. You better kill me now. Because I'll tell you what. Stay away from me. Because it is being recorded right now. So you are just jokers. You ain't law enforcement. Enforcement, yeah, but not law. You ain't law. You don't know nothing about law.
Please
You
hold
don't
on.
know nothing about it. Intimidation.
Approaching the main terminal.
Outside on the street without your uniform,
Please
you'd be a
follow the
pussy.
signs to baggage claim.
You want to head towards the office, or you want to just find a quiet corner for
No,
landside to meet us?
don't hit me. Go and hurt me. Don't
Landside
hurt
to meet
me.
us?
I don't care.
Want to head towards the office, or have
People know
landside
I'm
meet us
here.
somewhere over
I've
here
not
quiet?
threatened you. I've not threatened you. I'm just saying, the way you've treated me, you've not asked me anything. You've just treated me like a piece of shit.
Get your stuff and let's go.
What?
Grab your stuff, sir. Folks, could you, lady, ma'am, step over here, please.
God.
Thank you. I had to get your attention.
Well, I need to sit down.
Okay, right, and I'm dealing with something here.
I didn't know
I don't
that.
want you to get hurt.
Thank
Excuse me
you.
for yelling in your face. Jesus.
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to phone the solicitor. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm phoning the f***ing solicitor. And I've got a number right there. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. I'm f***ing joking. You know, international law is very expensive. And the law you done to me is f***ing ridiculous. Trying to get to my f***ing son. And you stop me. Why? For nothing. My solicitor will find out what your problem is. What's your name? Please, let go of my arm, please.
Are you going to act like an adult?
I am an adult.
Then act like
How can
one.
I act like anything different other than an adult? I am an adult. Can you let go of my arm, please? My f***ing children are waiting me at the airport. But why have
Here
you
you go.
stopped me?
That's me.
Why have you stopped me?
That's me. You wanted my name. There you go.
Yeah. Why have you stopped me? Why?
Because
why
of this
have you stopped
behavior
me?
right here.
No.
You refused to leave the ticket counter. You were denied boarding.
That is
You
a lie.
refused to leave
That's
the-
a lie. That's a lie. Because I weren't there when you said that. No, let's go. I wasn't even there when you said that. That is a lie. Okay. So we're going to kill me now. Trespassing, what have I done? I've got a right to phone the solicitor. I want to phone the
Folks,
solicitor
please take
right
the next
now.
one. Thank you.
I'm phoning the solicitor. Right, I want to speak to the solicitor right now. Right? Because what you're doing don't seem lawful to me. So what you're doing to me don't seem lawful.
Doesn't want to speak to our supervisor.
No, you're not going to let me speak to the solicitor.
Who are you asking for? A solicitor?
I'm asking you.
For who?
The solicitor.
A what?
I think that's a lawyer.
Your
And
attorney. That's on you.
No, you call it attorneys, we call it solicitor.
right
Here we go. City bus is over here.
over this way.
City bus? I'm not getting a city bus.
You get in the cab, but you're not staying here.
No, I've got a flight.
You're not getting on the flight.
Today,
Hold on. What do you mean I've got a flight to go home to London? But you're telling me I'm not doing that. How can you do that? How can you stop me going home?
Back up.
No, how can you stop me going home?
I didn't. Virgin Atlantic Airlines
No,
did.
they did not. No, they did not. That's not true.
Too
Because
intoxicated.
I spoke to them and they were fine.
You've had too many
Right,
drinks.
that one guy. No, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. Right, I want, what do they call it?
Should we bring
No,
body
no,
on
no,
him?
no, listen, you might laugh now, but I'll tell you what I want, yeah? I'll tell you what I want, yeah?
I wasn't laughing at you.
No, you were.
No, I was talking to my partner.
I want normal confirmation of what we've said, what you said, right? Virgin Atlantic, I paid my money, and one person said, I don't know why, what the he's made no report. No, what report has he made? Has he made a report?
Yes.
What, where is it? Where is that stopping me
He made a
flying?
verbal statement to
Where
us.
is it making me stopping me flying? Where is it? Because
I'm saying you're not flying.
who says?
Virgin Atlantic.
No, say no. Don't. Would you think I am a f***ing monkey? People can't do that. I've paid my fare. I've done nothing wrong. How can someone say you're not flying? It don't work like that, my friend. It don't work
This
like
is
that.
what's going to happen.
No.
You're going to be offered the ability to leave the property,
Right.
go find yourself someplace to sober up, try this again tomorrow, or you're going to go to jail.
I'm sober.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. But those are your options.
I'm sober.
You're going to be
I could
offered.
be on an
You're going to be
aeroplane now,
offered the
Going
option.
home to my family.
You're going to be
I'll
offered
sent
the
off.
option
No, you want
to
to
leave
hurt
the
me?
property.
Come and hurt me.
No, I don't want to hurt
You
you.
do.
It's the end of my shift. I want to go
No,
home.
you do. You want
But
to hurt me.
unfortunately,
No,
here
no,
I am with you,
You proved it.
based upon your behavior.
No, I've done nothing rude. I've not been obnoxious. I've not been violent. I've not been any way rude. I wanted to get on my plane, but someone said
You're not getting on a plane
you're
today.
going to plane. No. Well, I'll tell you what. I would rather go to court.
Okay.
Right. So arrest me then.
Florida Statute 877.03 sustained profanity in a public space with children present. He crossed that threshold in the first 2 minutes and never came back. He invoked his London solicitor repeatedly. The Sixth Amendment, right to counsel, applies at prosecution, not at a trespass warning. British law does not travel. Florida Section 810.09. Warning given. Warning received. Warning refused. All three elements. Probable cause established. Then he admitted it. Multiple glasses of wine. Empty stomach. Nothing eaten all day. In one sentence, he corroborated every decision the airline had made.
In due
Right?
time.
Because when we go to court, I'll do remand, I'll do 6 months, whatever it is. But the fact is, you arrested me for nothing. That's the truth. So I'm not resisting, but this is my only option. I'm afraid it's my only option. Right?
Okay.
It's my only option. My children are waiting for me at home, but you're not letting me
You
go
should have
home.
thought about that before you started drinking.
No, I won't. Listen, when I came to the airport this morning, yeah, right. When I came to the airport, I had nothing to drink, nothing whatsoever. All right,
You should
I
have
went
kept
through
it that way.
all this bullshit about customs and everything else. I had a couple of bottles of White Claw. That's all. I've had nothing to eat. I'm starving. I've been waiting all this time. You're saying I'm drunk.
You should have made better life choices.
Oh, yeah, okay. So maybe you should just kill me now. Right, I'll tell you what, I will agree with you on one condition.
What's that?
Right. I'll speak to a manager of Virgin, comes down and tells me what you said.
Doesn't work that way.
No, because they're not going to say that. Because that's not true. Go and get a manager from Virgin, say, Anthony, you're a off, don't come back here. And I'll say, okay, but they're not going to say that. They're not going to say, I don't give a shit anymore. I've got kids at home waiting for me. I should have been on my way now. I've done nothing
Agreed.
wrong. I've
But
not hurt
you chose
anyone.
to make bad
I've
decisions.
not done anything wrong to you or the United States or any of the fucking allies of the United States. I've done nothing wrong. I'm fucking, if you want to fucking put put me down as doing something wrong to
He
America
was
and all
denied
their
boarding by
allies.
Virgin Atlantic based upon his
No,
behavior.
no.
So
The frustration they put me through.
We want to know, do you guys want to trespass him from the airport?
Sir.
Okay.
The frustration. Listen, are you not going to ask me a question?
No.
No, okay, let's not talk.
At this time, you were going to ask him to leave the property immediately.
No, I'm going to have to be shot then.
Are you refusing to leave the property?
You're not on that.
Are you
Why?
refusing to leave the property?
Why?
Okay.
No, I'm just saying, no, wait a minute, I'm just talking.
They denied you boarding.
Hold on. I'm asking you a question. Do this to me.
A minute ago, you were asking
Will not be allowed to fly in and out of this airport for up to a year.
I've got to go home.
You'll have to go somewhere else.
all time of all days. I'm doing happy too. I have to go pick my wife up.
I get you. No, I got it.
Jacksonville, anywhere else that's
Excuse me,
not
why though?
because of your behavior.
What behaviour?
The one that you just like.
Well, I'm a bit frustrated. I'm not
Well, now you're under
I'm not
arrest.
assaulting anybody. I'm not assaulting anybody. Look, you're my worried about that. I'm not assaulting anyone. I'm not hurting anyone. I'm just frustrated. I'll get home.
Well, they've denied you boarding.
Why though?
We've asked you to
No one's
leave the property,
explained anything.
and you've refused.
No, I can't refuse if I don't understand. I can't. Right, okay. All right, we'll play your way. We'll play your way. Okay. We'll play your way. We'll play it your way. Right? Now, can I go with you? No. Right. What do you think I'm going to do? What do you think I'm going to do? No, you're hurting me. I'm not hurting you. I need to pick my glasses up. I've got them. Sorry, can you pick my glasses up?
Yeah, we will.
And don't smash them, don't stamp on them. Please. Put my glasses back, please.
I'll give them to them.
No, I need them on my head. Oh my God, you won't give me my glasses back?
Yeah, we will.
No, he's not. Can you put them on my head, please?
Yeah, I'll let somebody else.
No, I've dropped my glasses, he won't give them back. You won't do it? No, I'll tell you what, this is brutality. What have I done to deserve this? What the f*** have I done to deserve this?
What?
What the f*** have I done to deserve the treatment I'm getting off you?
He's answering that question, isn't he?
I've not done nothing! I've not done anything! Stop it! Leave me alone! I want to go home to my family! Why are you doing this to me? I've done nothing wrong! I f***ing said nothing wrong! No!
I had the luggage. I
No! Come on! No! You can't let me! No! No!
All right.
I want the police!
You want to act like a 10-year-old?
Immigration! Immigration!
You want a wheelchair?
Immigration, please! Help me!
Yeah, please.
should have waited.
Half away from me! Go away! Go away from me! You f***ing hurt me! I've done nothing wrong! Go away! Shut up! I'm not listening to you! You've done nothing! You're hurting me! Go away! What have I done to you? I've done nothing! I've asked your help! And you've f***ing done this to me! You've got my f***ing ID! F*** off!
10-4.
No! No! I want help! I want help! I don't want, I want help!
Hey, don't hurt your back. Don't hurt your back.
I want help!
Roll on your butt. Sit up.
No, I
Pull your
want
knees
help!
to your chest.
I want to call the police!
You know
Can you
something?
call the police, please? Can you call the police?
You keep this up, you're going to spend about...
No! Can you call... Good! Can you call the
A
police?
minute here.
No, you're not! No, can you call the police?
I'll call the police right
Can
now.
you please...
Yes.
No, you're a f***ing liar!
Can I
Can
have
you
the
call the
police
police,
here?
please?
Can I have a police for a passenger? Yeah, I called
No,
the police for
no.
it.
Can you call the police,
Oh,
please?
yeah, he's calling.
No, I'm asking for the state police. State police.
So they can't
Not
come
a
here.
county police.
This is not
State
their
police.
jurisdiction.
No,
Put your feet up. Put your
I
feet
want
up.
the police.
Start acting like a man instead of a 10-year-old.
Yeah, really. So, you know, what time is it, officer? What time is it? What time is it?
It is daytime.
Now, what time is it, officer? You won't tell me the time.
Time for him.
You won't tell me the time.
5:35.
You won't tell me the time.
I just told you.
You won't tell me the time.
Yeah.
Does he have a boarding pass?
I have no idea.
Why are you doing this for?
Are you gonna take him straight to jail, or you
Why are
want
you
to go
doing
to
this
the
to me?
office?
Why are you doing this to me?
Will he take that suitcase?
Why the f***
Take it down to
doing this
Virgin
to me?
Atlantic and give it to them. Virgin Atlantic, yeah. Hold on. Hold on.
What have I done wrong? Have I committed a crime?
He wants to know what he done wrong.
Took stuff out of my pocket. No, I ain't f***ing got to sober up.
You don't even have an idea. We do.
You f***ing lump of shit. You f***ing big lump of shit.
I don't mean
You're
it.
a f***ing piece of shit. You ain't my f***ing friend. Don't act like a friend.
Sit down. Sit down.
How can I f***ing move?
Then turn sideways.
How can I f***ing move in this f***ing car?
Turn sideways.
Motherfucker. Right, I want to
Sit up.
British Embassy.
Sit up.
Off. British Embassy now. Right, that's what I'm doing.
Move your
for.
foot.
That's what I'm going for.
Move your
I've done
foot.
nothing f***ing wrong. You are f***ing brutal. Brutality. Police brutality from the f***ing Florida Police Department. I'm being abused. I'm an educated person. Right? You're f***ing hurting me for nothing.
Move your foot.
I can't move my foot.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, Virgin Atlantic. Virgin Atlantic? Jesus.
After the suspect was secured, the airline supervisor spoke with officers to describe the man's behavior in more detail.
The altercation started about 4:45 on board the aircraft when he lifted a bottle of alcohol from the bar and asked a crew member for cocaine. So that's
So
how it
he made
started.
it onto the plane.
He made it down into the aircraft,
Oh my gosh.
got to the bar that we have,
Yeah.
and then picked up a bottle of alcohol, wigged it, and then asked for cocaine. And then that's when the crew. Yes. Yeah.
Did you know what kind of alcohol that was?
There was like a champagne at the bar. It was a champagne.
But it was already open?
Yes, already open container. Yeah.
Did he finish it?
No.
Okay, but he took a big swig out of it.
Yeah. So you must have earlier
So the flight attendants are getting ready to serve that once they depart or something?
Yeah.
Soft, empty hand control. No strikes. No less lethal. No injuries. Under Graham versus Connor, proportionate. The supervisor's account reframed everything. Aboard the aircraft, the subject had taken an open champagne bottle and asked a crew member for cocaine. Under 49 United States Code Section 46504. That is a federal crime. The trespass charge was the least of his problems. Booked. Orange County Corrections. Trespass second degree, misdemeanor. Federal aviation charges. Status unknown. He did not fly home that night. 3 lessons this encounter leaves on the table. First, airline. Authority is final. Once a carrier denies boarding under federal law, no argument, no solicitor, no breathalyzer demand, reverses that decision. The window closed the moment he was removed. Second, jurisdiction is not negotiable. Demanding state police, questioning officer authority, invoking foreign legal systems, none of it changes who holds jurisdiction at a Florida airport. Third, and most simply, the camera captured the truth before anyone said a word. The supervisor had the video. The officers had the video. Every subsequent denial played out against footage that told a different story. Officers B+. Patient, lawful, proportionate. Deducted for 2 remarks that dipped below professional standard. The subject, D. His conduct began before the body cam rolled alcohol taken. Cocaine, requested. Crew, intimidated. At the gate, he refused a valid legal order, cited irrelevant foreign law, and admitted intoxication while denying it. Non-resistance after handcuffing is the only credit available. If this raised a legal question worth exploring, drop it below. We read every one. See you in the next analysis.